You're from the southern part of Nigeria, precisely Delta State, then Ukodo is no stranger to you. A rich, hearty pepper soup made with tender chicken, yams, and plantains. To start, we're making our pepper blend, blending some habanero peppers, ginger, garlic, and onion until smooth. Next, we season our light chicken, which shows up well during cooking, with the pepper blend, some salt, half of our pepper soup spice, and of course, some Maggi chicken cubes to infuse that delicious, well-rounded taste. Give all of this a good mix. Add water enough to cook the chicken to about 50%. Make sure to cook on medium heat and then bring to a boil. Once the chicken starts cooking, you want to add in your yam and plantain chunks. Give everything a good mix, and it's time to elevate the taste. We're adding some more pepper soup spice, some Cameroon pepper, ground crayfish, salt, plus another portion of the new Maggi chicken seasoning cubes that now comes in this two-in-one pack for easy portioning and irresistible blood flavors. Now add water enough to help the yam and plantain cook until they are soft. Add in some fresh lemongrass and some scent leaves. Give everything a good mix, cover, and allow to cook. Once the yam and plantains are soft and the broth is thick and rich, you are done. And just like that, you have a warm, comforting bowl of Ukodo. Try this recipe using the new Maggi chicken cubes and let me know how it turns out. Enjoy!